Hi friends! Happy Monday! I thought we could start the week off by doing a little science project. So today I'm going to show you how to make a rain cloud. You only need a few supplies in order to do this science project. You'll need one clear glass of water, a bottle of shaving cream. Now if you don't have shaving cream, you can use whipped cream and you will get a similar effect. And then you just need some food coloring. You can use any colors you want and as many colors as you want. So first, I'm going to take my glass of water. So our water, we're going to pretend is our sky. Then I'm going to take the shaving cream and put about 3 squirts on top of our water. So the shaving cream is white and it's fluffy, so it's kind of like our clouds. Now I'm going to take some food coloring. I'm going to use blue first. I'm going to put in 1 drop of blue food coloring on our cloud. See, when we put 1 drop, it doesn't quite start to rain yet. That's because our cloud needs to be full in order for the rain to come down. Same thing with the clouds in the sky. So you and your family can guess to see how many drops you'll need before it starts raining. I'm gonna guess 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, I think that did the trick. So now that the cloud is full, it's going to start to rain. The raindrops leave the cloud, fall down, and come through to our sky. You can also use different colors if you want to make colorful rain. So I have red. I'm going to add some in there. Or yellow, or and there you have it, a rain cloud indoors. I can't wait to see what yours looks like.